Hello friends, today in this video I will talk about which is a country where most English language speakers are available, and that country is non-native English speaking countries. English is not their first language. They speak English as a second language and with much proficiency, and they are fluent in English language. I will talk about ahead in this video, so please watch this video till end, so that you never miss any informative point which I am going to discuss in this video. You know that English is an international language, and most of the people in the world speak this language as a second language, although that non-native English speakers are more than native English language speakers. You know that in all over the world, people prefer this language to speak because this language is considered the international language or language of communication. So most of the people try to learn this language. Also, there are too much complications while learning this language grammatically. When you try to understand the rules and regulation of the grammars, you will become stuck, and you think that it is too much difficult to learn English language. But however, being these kind of difficulties, people are trying to learn this language. And you know that when non-native English speakers, such as if I give you the example that there are 5 non-native English speakers in a room of the hotel. One from Singapore, one from Netherlands, one from China, one from India, one from Pakistan, one from any other Germany. They are non-native English speaking countries, such as I am giving the example. And they are talking with each other in English language, and they are understanding whatever they are saying. They are discussing with each other. Everybody is understanding what other is saying. Suddenly, a native English speaker from America enters the room. Then he speaks in natural way. Then they will, all the 5 other will become stuck while understanding what he is saying. They will understand a little, but thoroughly, because he will speak in casual way, informal way, as usual he is speaking in his country. But the all others 5 people are those who have learnt English language as a second language, and their accent is not similar but a little matching with each other. In this way, they 5 are able to understand each other. But when this American person enters in the room, they will feel the difficulty while understanding his lecture or his speech. So I think that non-native people, when they speak English with each others, they feel ease. When they listen or talk with the American or British, their accent is different, much different from other non-native countries. Then I think that the difficulty some people feel. So I think that when you learn the English language, I think in the beginning you should adopt your own accent, or if you want to watch the videos, or if you want to listen English language podcast or radio programs or any other stuff, I think that listen in non-native accents. That accent might be of your country, or that accent might be of other country which is non-native. In this way, I think that you will improve your English language in best way. Otherwise, when in the beginning you will try to copy the accents of native speakers, because they are speaking in natural way, as you are speaking your language in very natural way. Just imagine that a small baby don't know the rules and regulation of grammar, how to construct a sentence, how to put proper word in a sentence. He just listen, he imbibe the things, then try to deliver those things. In the same way, the native English speakers are speaking English language because that is their mother tongue. You have learned this language as a second language. So when you listen the native speaker, then you face problem while understanding the accent that differ from your accent. So I think that any person, everybody who learns the English language is able to understand what others are saying if those sentences are spoken in his accent. Because the English person who is from America, who is from Britain, is speaking the same sentences. Some words perhaps he will use different, but mostly sentences are those which you are speaking. If you find a written script, the same script, and you ask a non-native person to deliver the speech of that same script, he will deliver, then you would understand what he is delivering. When you will ask to deliver the speech of same script to a native person, native English language speaker, he will deliver, but you will feel some kind of problems while understanding, because he will deliver in casual way, he will deliver in as he is talking in his mother tongue. You know that English is the mother tongue of that person. So script is same, only the accent differ. Only the accent is creating problems. I myself, Alhamdulillah, I can understand English language when others are speaking. Some difficult words might be, but most of the words I can understand. But sometimes I face the problem regarding the accent. When I listen the British accent, then I have to concentrate more than when I listen the language of non-native English speakers. I am listening Russian people speaking in the English language, German people speaking in the English language, Indian people speaking the English language, other non-native countries, but their English is understandable. I can understand. But when I listen to especially the British, I feel a little difficulty while understanding. But when I listen to American English is understandable. So I think that where there you feel is adopt those kind of accents. Now I will tell you about the country which is non-native country and where there 91% people speak English language out of 100%. That country is Netherlands. If you are willing to travel to Netherlands and if you know the English language, you will face nothing problem, no problems there, because most of the population is able to understand English language, is able to speak English language. Sometimes it is said that they even speak very good English if they are compared with the native English speaking countries. They are excelling. So Netherlands is the country where 91% people speak English language. Hope you find this video useful. In next video I will talk about some other interesting topics. Till then, allow me, and before leaving, please subscribe to this channel so that you never miss our other videos. I am Altaf Malik and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.